Hey Dan, what are we doing here in the toy store?
I don't know, Jeff, but what I do know is that on Friday, April 25th from 5 to 10 p.m., we'll be hosting the Big Fun for Hope Telethon.
What's that?
It's the Big Fun for Hope Telethon. It's only going to be the best telethon ever recorded on the internet.
That sounds really cool. Why are we doing this?
I'll tell you why, Jeff. We're raising money for Child's Play Charity, which is an organization that provides all these toys, games, and books and other gadgets for children in long-term stay in hospital. And we can track our donations on childsplaycharity.org. That way we can see how good we've done so far. And again, that's childsplaycharity.org.
That sounds really great. I think everyone should watch this.
Absolutely, Jeff. I mean, who wouldn't want to miss out on all the fun, comedy, entertainment that's going on there?
You know who would want to miss it? A square. That's who.
You hit the nail on the head right there. And all we need is for you. Yes, you. All we need for you to do is give our Facebook page a good old-fashioned like, and don't forget to follow our Instagram and Twitter right now.
Right now?
Yes, Jeff, right now, because the more fans we have for Child's Play Charity, the more money we can raise for them. And don't forget, it's all for fun and it's for charity. Thank you. I'm Dan Brogan and this is Jeff Souza. And don't forget to follow Big Fun for Hope Telethon.